One of the best feature of Photoshop is its photo editing features that enables us to edit pictures very easily. I made mention of feathering. If you zoom to the edges, you see that it's not too sharp, it's blur. So that the work of that feather is to make the edges blur. I kept the feather at 1. If you kept the feather as in 0.1 or 0.2, it should be very sharp. It's very sharp. So always keep your feather 1 or closer to 1 to have a blur edge. Most designers normally use Photoshop to toast their picture and take it back to Corel for designing. Most people toast their picture in Photoshop and also design Photoshop, while some other people place their picture and edit the picture here in Photoshop and take it to Corel for making designs. So let me do some simple editing, some simple photo editing. For it to change it to black and white, you can easily desaturate. It. Yeah. Once you desaturate, your image has turned to black and white. Whatever effects you want to do, come to image adjustment. Then if you want to brighten it or contrast, you can also do it here to brighten it or to add contrast to it. Any of them you want to do. You can adjust it here. Then you have image adjustment, levels or Control L. Levels another is important to keep it like this. Is it from here. The more you move it from the left, it becomes darker. If you're moving it from the right, it becomes very light. So different way of editing images. Then we have this black and white. Posterize will give it a kind of cartoon nature at this point. Kind of something like this. You have different way of editing. On your own, you can try to explore more on this. Try to explore more. Curve, we also have curve. You can adjust to here, make it more brighter. If you move above the curve, it's bright. If you move below, it will be very dark. You see. So these are simple ways of editing images on Photoshop. On your own, you can go to explore more. There are more functions. You see.